Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best green repair tool is probably one of the most essential gadgets for any golfer who respects the game and the course. It's not just about fixing ball marks, it's about preserving the integrity of the greens and ensuring a smooth putting surface for everyone. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of green repair tools, exploring what makes a great one and why you need it in your golf bag. Number 5. Callaway 4-in-1 Golf Divot Repair Tool. Looking for the perfect gift for a golfer? This divot tool is a must-have. It's designed for on-course play, offering multiple functions in one convenient tool. Crafted from durable zinc alloy, this tool is built to withstand the rigors of the game. It's exceptionally sturdy, allowing you to easily fix any green divot. The compact and ergonomic design ensures ease of use. This tool and ball marker fits comfortably in your hand, making it a pleasure to use on the course. This tool features a built-in nylon bristle brush and metal groove cleaner. It helps keep your clubs looking clean and fresh, removing dirt effortlessly. Quickly mark your ball with the new and improved magnetic ball marker. It features the Callaway logo, adding a touch of style to your game. What we like. This tool does it all. It has a club cleaner, a divot repair tool, and a magnetic ball marker. If you are looking for a versatile tool that can handle multiple tasks on the course, you should consider this one. It's designed for ease of use and built to last. What people say. Great tool overall, functions as intended. Strong magnet, easy to remove ball marker with a glove on, build quality is amazing and it has a nice bit of weight to it. This tool is a must-have golf accessory. It combines a divot repair tool, groove cleaner, and even includes a magnetic ball marker, all in one compact design. The build quality is excellent, and the grip feels sturdy in hand. I've already used it on several rounds, and it makes fixing ball marks and cleaning grooves quick and easy. Lightweight, fits perfectly in a pocket, and the bright color makes it easy to find in the bag. Item is as described. Works well. Great quality. Number 4. Team Golf NCAA Switchblade Divot Tool. This innovative tool is designed to make your time on the green even better. It features a patented single-prong design, which helps to minimize damage to the delicate grass. The unique single-prong design of this tool is a game-changer. It causes less damage to the greens, ensuring a better playing surface for everyone. It also comes equipped with a convenient double-sided magnetic ball marker. This feature makes it easy to mark your ball's position on the green. The switchblade mechanism allows for easy and safe operation. It's compact and easy to carry in your pocket or golf bag. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this tool is a must-have accessory. It's a simple yet effective way to improve your game. What we like. This tool features a switchblade design and a double-sided magnetic ball marker. The single-prong design minimizes damage to the greens. If you are a golfer who values the condition of the course and appreciates a sleek, easy-to-use tool, this is a great choice. What people say. The divot tool feels really solid and well-made, with a smooth switchblade mechanism that he thought was really cool. The single-prong design is a smart touch. It's supposed to be easier on the greens, and that's a nice detail for someone getting back into the game. The magnetic ball marker is a great bonus, and the team logo looks sharp. Number 3. Skylety Metal Golf Divot Repair Tool. Are you a golf enthusiast? This Skylety tool is a must-have for any golfer. It's designed to help you maintain the course and improve your game. Made from stainless steel and aluminum alloy, it's built to last. It's also lightweight and easy to carry in your pocket, so you'll always have it when you need it. This tool does more than just fix divots. The fork can also sharpen your pencils, and the magnetic design helps you mark your ball's position. The U-shaped bottom can hold your golf club. The divot repair tool folds up with a convenient pop-up button. This feature prevents the fork from scratching your pocket or harming your fingers. You'll receive 4 tools in stylish colors: red, blue, lime green, and orange. It's a great gift for friends and family who love golf. Measuring just 2.76 by 1.18 by 0.59 inches when folded, it's compact. It weighs only 47 g, making it easy to carry around the golf course. What we like. This tool is made of stainless steel and aluminum alloy, and it comes in a set of 4 stylish colors. The foldable design with a pop-up button makes it safe and easy to carry. If you like to share your gear with friends or family, or if you want a tool that's both functional and fashionable, then you should consider this one. What people say. Great tool, would buy again. Good quality. Respect the greens, repairs ball marks easily and also has a magnetic ball marker included. Convenient release and positive lock. Great golf divot tool. Functions as expected. Number 2. Birdicorn 6-in-1 golf divot repair tool and ball marker. This innovative tool is designed to enhance your golfing experience. It combines multiple functions into one convenient device, making it a must-have for any golfer. The Birdicorn features a built-in ball marker, eliminating the need for extra accessories. This handy feature ensures you're always prepared on the course. Choose from a variety of vibrant colors to match your style. This tool not only performs well but also looks great. Crafted from premium gunmetal CNC aluminum, it's built to last. You can rely on it for consistent performance, round after round. This tool effectively repairs divots, maintaining the course's condition. Using it helps improve playing conditions for everyone. Beyond divot repair, it also functions as a bottle opener. It's a versatile tool that adds convenience to your game. What we like. This tool has a built-in ball marker and comes in a variety of vibrant colors. Made with premium gunmetal CNC aluminum, it guarantees long-lasting performance. If you are looking for a tool that combines style, durability, and convenience, you should consider this one. What people say. I use this every round of golf, perfect for fixing the ball marks in the green. When I rarely have them, ball marker is great and I use every tool on this thing. This tool is awesome, very tough and good divot tool. This device has many uses, but it is most useful to me as a place to rest a club while putting. Number 1. Frogger Golf HOP. Magnetic ball marker and divot tool. Introducing the HOP, a combination divot tool and golf ball marker. It's designed to make your game easier and more efficient. Having this on hand is both good course etiquette and just handy to have. This tool features patented magnetic technology. The ball marker easily hops onto the repair tool. The embedded magnets ensure it stays securely attached. The HOP divot tool has a U-shaped groove. This allows you to prop up your clubs, keeping your grips dry. It's perfect for those times when you need to lay your club down. This premium die-cast alloy divot tool is durable. The iron alloy ball marker and intelligent design deliver optimal ergonomics. It provides a balanced weight for amazing hand feel and leverage. To use, place your thumb in the depression and your index finger on the opposite side ridge. Insert the prongs around the edge of the ball mark at a 30-degree angle and lift inward. It's that simple. What we like. This tool combines a divot repair tool and a golf ball marker. The patented magnetic technology keeps the marker secure. If you are looking for a tool that offers convenience and helps keep your clubs dry, you should consider this one. It's designed for optimal ergonomics and balanced weight. What people say. Just as advertised, you drop your marker in your pocket and it sticks to the tool. Perfect. Had one for years and lost. Bought this one in good tool and marker. Strong magnet. Good quality, easy to clean off. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.